Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we will see the types of fertilization in human beings. In the earlier classes we have seen the process of fertilization. Now there are two types of fertilization possible in all the animals or human beings. Internal fertilization, which occurs inside the female body. External fertilization, which occurs outside the female body. Now we will see in detail. Internal fertilization, fertilization which takes place inside the female body is called internal fertilization. Means if fertilization is occurring inside the female body, just like we have seen that in the sexual reproduction all the fertilization inside the female body is happening, where the male person injected his penis inside the female vagina. This is known as the internal fertilization. It commonly occurs in all the birds, cows, dogs and human beings. No doubt all the human beings perform fertilization. Now what happens when the oviduct or fallopian tubes of the female reproductive system gone blocks? What happens then? अगर fallopian tubes in women's अगर ब्लॉक हो जा रही हैं किसी इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से, सो क्या इस कंडीशन में फर्टिलाइजेशन कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल? So this is a very important topic we are going to discuss, all of you. So be focused on it. So the new term is the in vitro fertilization, which means in vitro means outside the female body. If something is performed outside the female body is called as in vitro, and here we performing the fertilization outside the female body so that's why this is called as in vitro fertilization. Now in vitro fertilization, what happens? We take out the freshly released ovum or eggs from the female body by the fallopian tube. We take out the ovum outside and we take out the sperm outside. Then we take a petri dish or a glass disc, and in that disc we try to meet the sperm with the ovum. There in the petri dish, sperm and ovum meet and they form the zygote, where it develops into embryo, and this embryo is then transplanted inside the mother's uterus. Then inside the mother's uterus, embryo will divide and form the fetus. Okay, so this is a very important or very good method in those women where the fallopian tubes are gone blocked, so they can also become a mother. Okay, so sometimes it's also known as test tube baby, because test tube baby is actually the misleading term, and it's given only because sperm and ovum are fertilized outside the body, and in the petri dish test tubes sperm and ovums are fertilized in a liquid medium. That's why the test tube baby is given the name, but test tube baby is the misleading name. Its actual name is in vitro fertilization, where the doctors collect freshly released eggs and sperm and keep them together in a liquid inside a laboratory. In case the fertilization occurs, the zygote is allowed to develop for about a week and is then placed in the uterus of the mother. So this is all about the in vitro fertilization. Internal fertilization, Now we will discuss about external fertilization. It means that the type of fertilization in which the fusion of a male and female gamete takes place outside the body of the female is called external fertilization, which occurs mostly in the aquatic animals, those which are living in the water, because external fertilization wants that the sperm and ova will release outside the female and the male body. So what happens? Sperms by the males are released in outside medium, water, and same ova are released by the female outside the body in the water medium. Sperm and ova meet with each other, fuse with each other, and they form the zygote. So, in the external fertilization, there is less chance of the formation of zygote because most of the gametes are eaten up by the aquatic animals or terrestrial animals. That's why the chance of survival is very less in external fertilization, so that to ensure the fertilization takes place, a large number of eggs and sperm are released at the same time. So this is very important, all of you, कि in external fertilization, both male and female released a lot of amount of gamete to ensure the fertilization takes place. So just after fertilization, zygote will form, and then the formation of embryo will take place. So what is the difference between embryo and zygote? It will be clear to you all at the last of the video. So development of embryo. Just after the formation of zygote, all of you, formation of embryo takes place inside the female body. If it will be internal fertilization, then the formation of first zygote will happen, then the formation of embryo will take place. So after fertilization, zygote moves through the oviduct to reach the uterus. You know, all of you, that fertilization occurs in the female fallopian tube. So in the fallopian tube, formation of zygote will happen, which consists of a single nucleus. After a single zygote will divide to 2 cells, 4 cells, and 8 cells, and then the ball of cells. And then the ball of cells gets embedded on the wall of uterus for the further development. It means that ball of cells stage पर वो uterus के अंदर आएगा और वहीं पर implant हो जाएगा, धंस जाएगा. Then it will form the developing embryo. So all of you, पूछता है कि इस स्टेज पर यूट्रस में इम्प्लांटेशन होगा तो बॉल ऑफ सेल्स स्टेज पर, और एम्ब्रियो का फॉर्मेशन यूट्रस में आकर होगा. सो बाय 8 वीक्स, 8 वीक्स के अंदर या 8 वीक्स के बाद तक मेजर ऑर्गन्स लाइक हैंड, लेग्स, हेड, eye and ears are formed. After the formation of embryo, the formation of fetus will take place. Fetus is that stage of the embryo where all the body parts can be identified by the doctors. So, and the fetus formation takes place after the 8 weeks, where you can identify between the different kinds of organs in the body. After about 36 weeks, all of you, the development of fetus is complete and the mother gives birth to the baby. 36 weeks means 9 months, all of you. You can see the fetus in the uterus, how the fetus is look like. Now, we will see the difference between the embryo and fetus. So, fetus, F-O-E-T-U-S, right spelling is fetus. Now, embryo is the less than 8 weeks old. 8 weeks से कम का embryo होगा, and more than 8 weeks old will be called as fetus. Organ system बन रहे होते हैं embryo में. All organ system present in fetus. looks like a ball of cells embryo and looks like a teeny human. So this is the main difference between fetus and the embryo, all of you. Hope you all have differentiate between them. Now most of the topics I have cleared. If you all are having doubt, we will meet soon. Till then, see you again. Thank you.